There are tons of AI tools in the market nowadays. But finding a tool that specially understands hiring in the healthcare sector? That's quite hard. Well, not anymore. BizHire has created a customized AI hiring software especially for healthcare staffing needs that not only understands your hiring funnels, but also makes it faster without compromising on talent skills. Compromising is not the option when it comes to HealthRight. Here's what the BizHire dashboard looks like. Starting with the first step of hiring, let's see how you can create custom job descriptions in seconds and post on your healthcare portals right away. From the sidebar, you tap Job Openings and hit that top Create New Job Opening green button. Once required information is filled, you click Generate with AI. The system will use healthcare-specific data including necessary certifications, compliance terms, and medical skills, offering you a custom, SEO-friendly job description in seconds. Further, in the step of application details, you can now easily toggle fields or add extra questions you want to ask from your healthcare prospect. Moving to the job pipeline, you can also assign the job to your specific clinic or department. That means whether you are hiring for one ward or a multi-state telehealth network, BizHire allows it all, giving you a unified dashboard with complete visibility of all the pipelines at one place. Once you submit, you can tap Preview Job Listing to see your polished, SEO-optimized healthcare post. Now grab that link and share it on LinkedIn or specialized medical job boards of your choice. BizHire also features custom HR workflows and custom job templates and scorecards designed for medical professionals. So no more generic templates. Everything is structured to suit any healthcare module. Enough about us. Do you want to explore all these features yourself? Claim your 7-day free trial right now and take advantage of all these features right away. No credit card details needed. Make sure you do not forget to set your industry to healthcare in the free trial form to access all these features. BizHire automatically optimizes your profile for the healthcare sector and shares the login details of free trial on the mentioned email address right away. Just log in and enjoy free AI features. Don't forget to share it with your other HR friends in healthcare and follow BizHire on LinkedIn for more such stuff. Visit www.bizworkhq.com